Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Cortana is not working on your computer or PC properly. So this should hopefully be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by first having to identify what drive letter Windows is installed on. So if you're unsure, you want to go onto the start menu and type in this PC. And best match should say this PC. I'm going to open that up. And now you can see that there's a little hard disk, or among the many drives you might have on your computer, there should be one that has a Windows icon or Windows logo right above the hard disk. As you can see, in my case, it's a turquoise blue here. This means that Windows is installed on this drive. And you can see the drive letter in parentheses is none other than the letter C. C is the most likely letter of all of them, anywhere from A to Z, but that means it could also be any letter from A to Z as well. So just keep that in mind. It's very important you take note of that. So we can close out of here and head back over to the start menu, and this time you want to type in command prompt. You want to right click on the command prompt, which should be the best match. Left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, select yes. So now there's a couple different commands we're going to run in this video, and I'm going to kind of break it up as method 1 and method 2. The first method I'd actually recommend would be to run a disk check integrity scan, which would be a check disk scan. So you'd want to type in chk dsk. So again, chk dsk space, and now whatever the drive letter was. So again, like I showed you guys earlier, my drive was C, so it's going to be C colon, so like one dot on top of another dot, and then space /F, and then as it appears on my screen, I'm going to hit enter, and then you will not be able to run it since we are currently using the Windows drive as we speak, so it really can't run an integrity scan on it, because that's exactly what it says right here, because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time your system restarts? You want to type Y, so the letter Y, and then hit enter. It says this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So I'd recommend closing out of the command line window at this point, restart your system, and hopefully that should resolve it. However, if that does not resolve the issue, we're going to go into an alternative method through the command line again. So let's say you've restarted your computer and you're still experiencing problems with the Cortana. We're going to go back in the start menu and type in Cortana again. We're going to go back in the start menu and type in command prompt again. Again, right click on it, left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, select yes. Now again, we're going to be typing something in here, except this time it's going to be SFC. So again, just SFC, the letters S, F, and C, space /scan now. So scan and then now, so SCANNOW. There's two N's in here, just keep in mind. It's not like the one N becomes part of the now. They're two separate words, but they are represented as one here. So you want to hit enter on your keyboard. And this will take some time to run a system scan, and you will likely have to restart your computer, and I would implore that you restart your computer when it's done. And hopefully this method will work for you guys as well. So I just wanted to put out a couple of different potential fixes for you. But I do hope that one of these two, or hopefully both of these methods, can resolve your issue without too much of a hassle. And as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.